In this section, I'd like to show how we are responding to the very exciting challenge of ever larger camera sensors, ever larger microscope fields of view. Traditionally, you've been limited to no more than you can get through a 25mm optical filter, and for that, for some years, we've had our optospin filter changer. You can see here, this is fast, very compact, that allows you to have within a relatively compact optical path length something like this, where you've got a splitter between two cameras and no big motors hanging out of the way to interfere with how to put things together. Another nice feature of the optospin is this ability to put two together in the same overall light path, like so. That allows you to have a total of 12 filters in there, but if you have an open position in each wheel, then you can switch very rapidly between up to 10 independent filter positions. Now that's fine for 25mm, but we also, for a year or so, we have been offering this 32mm version, which is exactly the same type of thing, just bigger, and you can put two together, just as I've shown you there before. And if that's not enough, we're currently dealing with an application that requires 50mm diameter filters, so we've just designed a 50mm version, and all I can show you actually at the moment is the motor that would go, but again it's another very fast, compact device that's going to be very interesting, because no one seems to have done a fast 50mm filter changer before. Next thing is diaphragms. We have in the past had a diaphragm that's opened up to 16 by 16mm, as you can see here, but that has now been partnered by this larger one, which opens to 23 by 23mm, which is a 32mm diagonal, and that very nicely matches with the latest kinetic sensors from Teledyne or the sonar from Andor. So we're trying to keep very much up with what these people are doing. And final part is to have larger filter cubes. Again, we've had this 25mm cube for some time. I've lost count of the number of these things that we've sold because they appear in many of our products. More recently, we've had this 32mm version, and as soon as anyone wants, then we can scale this up again to go up to 50mm. And these larger versions will be particularly handy for our open frame microscope, which is specifically itself, amongst many other features, it's going to support larger fields of view, larger optical apertures in general. Right.